For weeks, everyone has been asking the same question. What does the inside of the new Camp Nou look like now? Today, we finally have the answer. Massive progress has been made. Another major milestone has just been completed, and the transformation is now becoming impossible to ignore. This is easily one of the most important Camp Nou construction updates in recent weeks. So, let's dive straight into today's update. One of the most noticeable changes inside the stadium is the ongoing transformation of the playing surface. Construction crews have now begun removing the existing pitch using heavy machinery, marking the start of a complete renovation of the field. Excavators are carefully stripping away the old grass layer before specialized equipment separates and processes the soil underneath. While the remaining earth is being redistributed and leveled across the surface, workers are preparing the foundation that will eventually support a brand new state-of-the-art playing pitch. Although the stadium itself is rapidly taking shape above ground, this work below is just as important, ensuring the future Camp Nou delivers world-class playing conditions from day one. Every stage of this operation brings the return of football one step closer, making the pitch renovation one of the most significant milestones happening inside the stadium right now. The VIP ring is rapidly approaching another important milestone. Most of the curtain wall glazing has now been installed, giving these premium hospitality areas a much more finished appearance. In the remaining sections, crews continue fitting aluminum framing while completing the final glass installations. Interior finishing work is also progressing steadily, and with every passing week, the VIP ring looks increasingly close to its final architectural design, becoming one of the most advanced areas inside the stadium. One of today's biggest milestones comes from the north goal, where another steel box segment has been successfully installed onto the compression ring. The tower crane executed the lift with impressive precision, carefully lowering the massive steel section into its exact position. Every newly installed box brings the compression ring closer to its final continuous shape, and the pace of installation remains consistently strong. Although several structural elements still need to be added before this section is fully complete, the north goal is making outstanding progress and continues to move steadily toward the next construction phase. Construction around the north goal core structures is advancing on multiple levels. Elevated platforms remain active as crews continue building the upper steel framework surrounding the elevator and stair cores. Internal structural work is progressing alongside exterior preparations, while workers carefully complete framework installations that will eventually support the stadium's final facade. Each visit reveals noticeable changes, with these once exposed concrete cores gradually transforming into enclosed operational spaces that will serve thousands of supporters on match days. Construction across the third tier continues at an impressive pace. Temporary scaffolding remains in place while crews focus on completing the upper structural sections and surrounding framework. Additional finishing work is becoming increasingly visible throughout the Tribuna, including completed stairways and newly painted access routes. These details highlight the project's gradual transition from heavy structural construction toward interior finishing, bringing the upper seating levels closer to welcoming supporters once again. The south goal remains one of the stadium's busiest construction fronts, with multiple operations advancing simultaneously. Crews continue extending the compression ring toward the Tribuna while preparing the next series of structural installations. Inside the diamond structures, recently completed concrete sections have already progressed into the next phase, with column formwork now being installed and preparations underway for additional concrete pours. Concrete pumps remain active across the upper levels, supporting the construction of future hospitality and service areas. The stadium's iconic ceramic facade continues expanding across the north goal. Installation teams remain focused on placing additional ceramic louvers beneath the roof overhang, gradually extending the finished sections across the stadium exterior. Although minor adjustments briefly slowed progress on one panel, installation quickly resumed, and more louvers continue to appear each day. As these distinctive ceramic elements cover more of the structure, the stadium's final architectural identity is becoming increasingly visible. Attention has now shifted toward precision work on the Tribuna facade. Construction teams continue inspecting and fine-tuning the anchor points that will support the future ceramic louvers. Every mounting bracket is carefully measured, checked, and adjusted wherever necessary to guarantee perfect alignment before facade installation begins. These meticulous preparations may seem minor, but they are essential to achieving the clean, seamless exterior appearance envisioned for the completed stadium. The compression ring continues to stand out as one of the most remarkable engineering achievements of the entire Camp Nou project. With another steel box now successfully installed, the upper structure is steadily extending around the stadium and becoming more complete with every construction update. Crews are maintaining an impressive installation pace, while preparations for the next steel sections are already underway across multiple work fronts. Construction activity at the north goal corner has intensified, with multiple elevated platforms operating simultaneously as crews install another structural component beneath the future facade. A crane carefully lifted the new steel piece into position, while workers secured it from several access platforms. At the same time, additional teams continued working deeper inside the structure, carrying out support installations and preparing the surrounding framework for the next stage of facade construction. This corner remains one of the busiest exterior work zones, with several operations progressing in parallel. Work is also moving steadily inside the south goal diamond, although access to the area has now been restricted due to ongoing construction. Despite the limited visibility, the internal block wall has continued rising and is now approaching roof level. Multiple crews remain active throughout the structure, laying additional concrete blocks while other teams carry out structural work deeper inside the diamond. The steady growth of this wall is another important milestone as the interior spaces continue taking shape. Preparations for the next phase of facade installation are now underway as crews carefully align the support anchors using guidelines stretched across the brackets. This precise alignment ensures every anchor remains perfectly positioned before additional ceramic louvers are installed. Workers are also inspecting previously installed louvers, tightening their fixings and removing the remaining protective plastic film, while stacks of new louvers remain ready for installation as another major facade installation phase approaches. Significant progress has been made inside the south goal mobility core, where the installation of sandwich panels has advanced rapidly since the previous update. The enclosure has now extended much higher, reaching close to the first cantilever level and giving the structure a far more complete appearance. While one mobility core is progressing quickly, the adjacent core has yet to receive its sandwich panels, indicating that construction teams are completing one section before shifting their focus to the next. The lateral construction zone continues to be one of the most active areas of the project, with cranes, concrete pumps, and elevated platforms all operating simultaneously. Freshly concreted sections have already had parts of their formwork removed, while crews immediately began installing new reinforcement cages and preparing additional column structures for the next concrete pours. Across the upper levels, workers continue adjusting structural supports and lifting new reinforcement materials into position, ensuring that progress continues at a rapid pace throughout this side of the stadium. With every new construction update, Spotify Camp Nou moves another step closer to becoming one of the world's most spectacular football stadiums. From the expanding compression ring and rapidly evolving interior, to the impressive progress on the VIP ring, third tier, south goal, and ceramic facade, every section of the project is advancing at full speed. The transformation is now becoming visible both inside and outside the stadium, making each visit more exciting than the last.